Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Visual Studio installation error on your Windows. So I'm just going to share to you a very simple fixes, or this is just a very simple tutorial. So let's go quick into the process. First, as you have to click on the start button, then you have to click on settings. Now here in this settings window, we need to locate the Windows update in the list of options on the left pane, and we just have to simply click on that and click this button right here. So you will find one button that is to check for updates. So we need to make sure we are running the latest version of our operating system, or in short, our Windows is updated. And once you're updated, then you just have to simply close this window. So in my case, we have to retry again to download the updates on my Windows, but in your case you just have to simply check for updates, and once the updates has been installed in your Windows, then try to install the Visual Studio again. And for the next method is if you are using any third-party antivirus softwares like any of the Avast, McAfee, or Malwarebytes, which are the commonly used third-party antivirus softwares, then we need to temporarily disable that because that might block or interrupt the installation process on your Windows. So you just have to click on the show hidden icons in the taskbar. Here you can find Malwarebytes. It could be Avast or any other third-party antivirus software on your Windows. Simply make a right-click, select Quit Malwarebytes. And after you have disabled temporarily the third-party antivirus software, then you just have to try installing the Visual Studio again or continue the installation process. Now for the next method is we can also run the System File Checker Scan, or known as the SFC Scan. So what we can do is we just need to simply go ahead in the Windows search bar and type CMD, which stands for Command Prompt. On the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator. Now here in this elevated command prompt with administrative rights, you need to type SFC space / scan now. It's SFC space / scan now, hit enter. So the system file checker scan, this will fix for any system corrupted files. This is a very helpful fix, by the way. So while the process is going on, is you should not close the window. You can just simply click on the minimize button right here and then continue your other task on your Windows, and then you just need to go back in here once the process goes to 100% completed. And once this is 100% completed, close out of here. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And after you have restarted your Windows, try to install the Visual Studio again by this time. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.